Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Today, we're diving into a realm of intricate beauty and surprising terror, the microscopic world of insects. Prepare to be amazed as we explore these tiny monsters. With alien designs, all under the lens of a microscope. Our journey begins with the humble housefly. Under the microscope, the fly's compound eye transforms into a mosaic of hundreds of tiny lenses, each capturing a piece of the world. Its legs, covered in tiny hairs and claws, reveal their complex structure, perfectly designed for gripping any surface. This familiar pest becomes an alien marvel. Next, let's examine a mosquito. Its slender body and delicate wings might seem harmless, but the microscope unveils its true nature. The proboscis, a needle-like structure used for piercing skin, is a marvel of engineering. Tiny barbs and serrations make it a highly effective tool for blood-sucking. The mosquito's world is a constant struggle for survival, and the microscope reveals the adaptations that make it so successful. Now, let's move on to the butterfly. Its wings, often admired for their vibrant colors, are even more stunning up close. The scales that give the wings their color and patterns are meticulously arranged, overlapping like tiny tiles. These scales also play a role in the butterfly's ability to fly, reflecting light and creating intricate patterns that aid in camouflage and communication. Finally, let's explore the ant. These industrious creatures are known for their teamwork and their ability to carry objects many times their own weight. Under the microscope, we can see the ant's powerful mandibles, used for carrying food and defending the colony. The ant's exoskeleton, a tough outer shell, is made up of many segments, allowing for flexibility and movement. The ant's world is a bustling metropolis of teamwork and survival. So the next time you encounter an insect, take a moment to consider its intricate design and the alien world it inhabits. The microscope allows us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of these tiny monsters, revealing a hidden world of wonder and survival. These insects, with their alien designs, are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth.